Simba, we're here for potty. Come on. Come on. Come on. Well, this is the Pomeranian attitude I've been warned about. Oh my god, no. Simba! Really? Really? Oh. Oh, Sauvignon! Simba. Oh! What was that? Oh my god! Get it! Go get it! Weirdo! Simba, you need to go in. Oh my god! What are you doing? Okay, buddy. It has sticks. Okay. We gotta leave this out here. Ow. Oh, no. Oh. Simba. Come here. Get over here, you little fluff. We're not taking the stick in. That's full of snow. It's full of snow. Oh my god. You have sticks. You have sticks in the house that are dry. We could use those sticks. Let go. Okay. Now come here.